Rolling. All right. Hey everybody, I want to show you this new fridge I got for sale. You know, I wheel and deal online. This is a nice GE fridge. Its color's beige. It's going to go for $200. It's mint condition on the inside. If you see up here, yep, it's got an ice maker. It's got the hoses in the back. If you see, that's my friend Lucy. And I'll show you the inside, spotless. Take a look at the inside. What? Oh yeah, I'll be there in a second. Yeah, all right, I'll come right now, thanks. Anyway, you've seen the fridge, it looks good. If you're interested, give me a call, okay? All right, thanks.